Hi everyone, so I want to show you guys how I made these beautiful Valentine's Day themed strawberries. We're going to start off by taking off the stem, and you can use a big toothpick or you could use maybe 2 toothpicks so you don't have problems with it falling off the stick. And now we're just dipping it in our chocolate. Today I used almond bark from Walmart. I think it's incredibly good. I actually do like it. Okay, so now my chocolate is dry and we're gonna start off with the fondant piece. I wanna make the beer, so I just make a whole bunch of lines across the fondant, and I feel like the more lines that you add, the more realistic it looks. If you see, like at the end, I'm kind of cutting it, like going a little bit deeper, just so it can be more realistic. Okay, so now I'm ready to put it on the strawberry, but I noticed that it was too big, so I ended up cutting it, and I stick it on the strawberry with a little bit of water. And right here I'm just adding a little bit of white glitter, just to give it a little bit of a pop, and then I'm adding the nose. For the hat, I'm using pink fondant and rolling it out with a gold straw. You can use some cornstarch to avoid the stickiness. That definitely helps. And for the hat, I'm just cutting as I go and just shaping it. And then I'm gluing this together with a little bit of water. And right here, I'm just stretching it out so it can fit my strawberry. Right here, I added a little bit of fondant on top of the nose to give it more volume, and then I added the hat with water. And now I'm just using a little bit of pink to give the hat more dimension. Okay, right here I'm just adding red powder food coloring and lemon extract to make some dots around my hat. And I'm using a fondant ball tool to put the dots all over the hat. And this is the other gnome that I made. They're so cute. I just feel like they're perfect for Valentine's Day. To complete our Valentine's Day strawberries, we're gonna dip some strawberries in pink chocolate. For the drizzle, I'm adding chocolate to a Ziploc bag. Make sure that the hole that you cut at the end is small, just so your drizzle can be clean. While the chocolate is still wet, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. I'm using pink and silver. And now some sprinkles. These are the Wilton sprinkles. I got them from Walmart. And now I'm just adding some mini marshmallows. And then I'm gonna add the strawberries. You guys can definitely add some chocolate, some other Valentine's decorations would be cute. But I hope you guys liked today's video, and let me know if you guys make it and how it turns out, and if you guys need any help. Thank you so much for following me. See you guys next time. Bye.